The cabin air filter in your 2021-2024 Ford Bronco is crucial for clean air inside your vehicle. It's a pleated filter, typically made of paper or synthetic material that traps dust, pollen, mold, exhaust fumes, and other pollutants. This keeps the air you breathe cleaner and protects your AC system. The filter is located behind the glove box. To access it, first open the glove box and release its stops by pressing inward on the sides or releasing a latch. Then, carefully remove the glove box assembly, which might involve disconnecting hinges or screws. The filter housing will be directly behind or below where the glove box was, secured by clips or screws. Remember, consistent replacement is important. Ford recommends changing it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or 12 to 24 months, especially if you drive in dusty conditions. Ready to replace your Bronco's cabin air filter? First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver and your new cabin air filter, such as Ford part number FL2065 or equivalent. Ensure your Bronco is turned off and the HVAC system is off. Open the glove box, remove any contents, and fully remove the glove box assembly. Next, unlatch the filter cover, which is usually held in place with tabs or screws. Carefully pull out the old dirty filter. Now, insert the new filter, paying attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on the filter. It should point towards the cabin. Reassemble everything in reverse order, ensuring all seals are tight to prevent leaks. Finally, test your AC to ensure it's functioning correctly. Regular filter replacement not only improves air quality, but can also save you money by preventing HVAC system inefficiency and potential repairs.